Okay, so if you know you have issues with your laptop keyboard, stay behind. If not, you can scroll over. So basically, one of my clients got me his laptop for me to have a look at it. So he said he has a problem with his keyboard. So I decided to access the keyboard and try to do a replacement of the keyboard. So in this process, I'm trying to remove the battery. I tried to remove the hard disk. I didn't know why I was removing the hard disk, but I decided to remove the hard disk. So I also removed the RAM. I just wanted to be on the safer side. So initially, I didn't know where to move the keyboard from. Before I realized the keyboard wasn't inbuilt, so I decided to remove it from the top. So this is the method I use. So I decided to disconnect the keyboard from there. So the new keyboard was not ready. So I just had to remove it in the way. So in case the new keyboard is ready, then I'll fix it back on it. So this is me trying to access it. So I use my flap remover to release the flap that is fixing on the cord. So I released it a bit and I removed the cord and was able to do that. When I was done, I placed the flap back, then inserted the keyboard back into the system. So once I was done, I turned over the laptop to close it. So I closed the laptop basically. So I was trying to put everything back here. So funny enough, I thought the keyboard was inbuilt. So I decided to remove everything so I can show everything back. That's why I've removed the hard disk in the RAM, but it was on the front key, so I can easily remove this. So this is me scrolling the screws back here. Yeah, so basically, ways of we trying to maintain the keyboard is that let's not put spilled or let's not spill any liquid on the keyboard. Try to cover the keyboard as much as possible. Let's dust it, brush it a bit. Yes, Then if you have a bit of hand sanitizer or alcohol, you can use it to clean and maintain your keyboard. Sometimes the update you might do might destroy the keyboard, but in the long run, at most a PC's keyboard should be changed after 2 years or 3 years. That's if it's malfunctioning. But apart from that, you should be good to go. So yeah, I was fixing the RAM into it. Then after that, I tried to close it to turn on the PC to see if it was working. Yeah. So there's Selase IT Solutions. That's its work. So comment, like, subscribe. Let me get your review on it. All right. Thank you. Okay, so at this part, I tried to turn on the PC to see if it's going to work. And voila, it did work. And I didn't expect much, but this is what it was doing. Yeah, the RAM is 4 gigs, so the PC is very slow. So yeah, that's why. But apart from that, I'll do my best to work on the RAM data. So this is what I have for you now today. All right, thank you. Follow for more tips.